The 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo marks the breakover point between crossover and SUV. It's a docile wagon on the street, a mud plugger when the road disappears, and in some forms it's a demon on a track. It is among the best-looking SUVs despite being nearly a decade old, with style, class, and timeless proportions. The highlight of the Grand Cherokee Laredo experience is performance, from its 295 horsepower V6 that provides plenty of usable power. Heavily weighted toward its comfort and performance, the Grand Cherokee's fuel economy and safety is a must. It is comfortable, practical, and near luxury-worthy for a family midsize SUV. The 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee hauls 5 adults, plenty of stuff, and offers luxury-like features in a comfortable interior. It's the complete package of midsize SUVs, available at US Cars,